Meaning of déshabillé.
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 Déshabillé. Déshabillé is a French term that refers to a type of informal dress that is designed to look as if it was thrown together haphazardly, often by someone who was in a hurry or not paying attention. The word itself literally means undressed or unbuttoned, and the style is characterized by loose, flowing garments that are worn in a relaxed and casual manner. The resulting look is often effortless and natural, yet still has a certain degree of elegance and sophistication. Overall, déshabillé is a style that is both comfortable and stylish, making it a popular choice for many people.